Okay, in this lecture, I will explain job sequencing with deadlines. So, for this type of problems, you have been given the jobs. In this example, you have been given 7 jobs. You can see over here n equals to 7. It means 7 jobs you have been given, and corresponding these jobs, the profits are given, and it is also given that the deadline of the jobs. Let's say first job can be completed within 3 units of time. The second job can be completed within 4 units of time, and if you will complete this job then the profit will be 30. Similarly, a GI job is given which can be completed at most DI deadline time or DI units of time, and which will give the PI profit, right? We are assuming that the processor which is executing those jobs, which is one, and at a time it can complete only one job, right? So the question can be there: find the maximum profit and sequence of the jobs to perform if there is only one processor to perform the job. So you have only one processor, and one processor can complete one job at a time, right? Profits has been given, so you have to find out the maximum profit. So we consider this question. So how we solve such type of questions? Three steps are there. First, you have to arrange all the jobs according to the increasing order of profits. So in this question, I have already arranged all the jobs in the increasing order of the profit. However, if the jobs are not arranged in the increasing order of the profit, then you can arrange the jobs according to the profit, right? The second step is assign a job with maximum profit in the last available slot of its deadline. Whatever deadline is given, so you will be assigning that job in the last available slot. And third step is the second step will be repeated till a slot available or all jobs are assigned. So we see this problem by using these three steps, right? So these are the jobs, profit, and deadlines, right? So first you see over here, the first job is having the maximum profit 35 and the deadline is 3, right? So we will allocate this first job in the third slot because this deadline is 3, so that's why it will be coming over here, right? We will like this. So this job, first job has been allocated in this slot, right? The second job is the profit of the second job is 30, which is having a deadline of 4. So the deadline is 4, that's why the second job will be allocated in the fourth slot. So you see over here, in the fourth slot, second job is there, profit is there, right? You see your next job, third job, that is profit is 25 and the slot is 4, deadline is 4. So see over here, we want to allocate it into 4, but already we have allocated G2 job, so we cannot allot over here. And again, the third slot is also allocated by the job 1, so that's why we will allocate job 3 into the second slot, right? The profit is here. Again, the fourth job is having a profit of 20, but the deadline is 2. So we will try to allocate it into second slot. So see second slot, already J3 job is allocated, so we cannot allot fourth job in the second slot. So that's why we will allot this fourth job into first slot. So we have allotted in this one. Now all the slots have been allocated, right? All the slots have been allocated. So we cannot allot another job in this slot, and now we can add that profit. So the profit is 20, 25, 35, and 30. So it is making 110, right? So the total profit is 110, and the sequence of job is J4, J3, J1, J2, right? So using this algorithm, the sequence of job is this one. However, with the same profit, another job sequence can be there. There can be multiple job sequences which is giving the same profit. We have to take only one sequence, or we can take multiple sequence which is giving the maximum profit. So in this case, the maximum profit is 110, and the sequence can be this one or another one also. It depend on the algorithm. Or in this case, like if we swap this J3 and J4, if we complete J3 first and after J4, then also we will be getting the same profit, but the sequence may be changing. So for objective type of questions, you have to think in that way. Like profit will be the maximum, profit must be the maximum. However, we are following this algorithm, so that's why the sequence is J4, J3, J1, J2. But the another algorithm can give the another answer, but the profit will be the maximum.